In this video, I will show you how to add a sticky bar at the top of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage inside Hostinger Website Builder, and to add a sticky bar to this website, all you need to do is to hover with your mouse over the header section, then click on Add Sticky Bar. As you can see, a new bar is added at the top. Now you can edit your text. For example, since this is an outdoor or a hiking blog, I can use something like what to bring on a hike. Download my checklist. To add a link to the text of this sticky bar, it's simple. First, you need to visit your website. This is the page I want my sticky bar visitors to go to. Copy the page link, then select the text you want to turn to a link, then hit Command V on Mac or Control V on PC. As you can see, an underline is added to my text. This means that my link or web link is added successfully. Let's update my website and let's see it live. As you can see, my sticky bar is added successfully, and let's check the link. My link is working as it should be. Now let's see some design options. You can click on edit section. You can select a section color or a section background image. And for the layout, you can adjust your sticky bar height. And this is how to add a sticky bar in Hostinger Website Builder.